Since I uploaded this GoPro Hackney Hyperlapse video, I've had a few people asking me what settings I used. So I thought I'd make a quick video to show you. Important to note that this was shot on a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I haven't yet used an 8, but I imagine the settings are pretty much the same. On the GoPro you've got the three main options on the back: photo, video and time-lapse. Once you're in time-lapse you have a little icon on the far bottom left. The important thing here is you want time warp video, not time-lapse video. That will give you the super stabilised look as you move around. Once you're in the time warp setting you have some other options here. You can switch between 4K and 1080p, and you can also set your speed to be 10, 15 or 30 times. I shot this video at 30, which was probably overkill. In hindsight I probably would have done it at 15. 30 would be great for long distance driving stuff. Here's a little footage shot from the top deck of a London bus. I found 30 speed is good on a long straight path, but once you start turning a lot of corners it's a little bit too much. 10 I found was just too slow, so 15 is the happy medium. Obviously personal preference comes into this, so play around with them all and see what works best for you.